it's funny that the only time I drink tea is when I do a tea and top box unboxing. Oh well, I prefer coffee. Hey everyone, welcome back. I just got something in the mail like 10 minutes ago. The mailman just dropped it off. It is my June top box, so it is time for tea and top box. For those that aren't familiar with it, Top Box is a Canadian monthly beauty subscription. It is $12, I believe, every month plus tax, depending on which province or territory you are in. It is free shipping in Canada. Occasionally, they do have special boxes that they make available to the US. I'm not sure if it's available elsewhere internationally, but I know occasionally, at least to the US, some boxes are available. So it's worth checking out even if you aren't in Canada, because you can get some pretty cool stuff. Those other boxes that they have are usually around $26, sometimes more, but they're usually filled with all kinds of goodies, not usually 4 or 5 like this is. Top Box, if you're familiar with Ipsy, is kind of similar to that. It has usually sample sizes in it, 4 to 5 to 6, something like that. And it's in the same kind of price range and that sort of thing. So let's open it up. With Top Box, you can have it sent in like a cylinder kind of cone type of thing, or it comes also in an eco-friendly edition, which is usually an organza bag. I realized, because I usually do get the actual cylinder because I enjoy getting it in that, but I realized I had quite a few of them laying around lately, so I went with the eco-friendly version today. So see what it is. Ooh, it's a really pretty pink. It's like a baby pink kind of blush color bag here. Let's open it up. Let's see. And they usually have some kind of papers and cards in here. Let's pull those out first. So yeah, we just have a Top Box card. It doesn't really give any information on it, just usually a coupon. New by Nature and Shoppers Drug Mart. We got another points card here, and just another kind of postcard on some of the, another item that is in the box. The first item that I pulled out here is Bubble Bubble Pop. It is a charcoal bubble sheet mask, and it's got really cute packaging. It looks like this. I don't normally do a lot of sheet masks. I prefer ones that are like clay masks and that sort of thing that you have to wash off, just because I don't have time to sit down or lay down and let them just like do their work and do their magic and that sort of thing. But this is actually one I might try just because of the packaging alone is really, really cute. And it says it's yeah, a charcoal bubble sheet mask. So this is fun to try. The next item in the bag is from Nude by Nature. This is, I believe, an Australian brand that is newer to Canada in the last like 6 months or so, I'm gonna say. You can get it at Shoppers Drug Mart. This particular item is the translucent finishing powder, and we've gotten a few things from them in Top Box. I really enjoy the primer that we got. We got a bronzer, which it's probably nice, but it's a loose bronzer, and it just, I have a hard time getting it on my face, it being in a loose format. I would have preferred it being pressed. But a finishing powder, I don't mind it being loose because it's not going necessarily in a specific place. I'm gonna put that stuff all over my face. So this is kind of what the packaging looks like. It's a reflective gold lid. And then inside you've got your powder. It's got a sticker on it, so nothing comes out right now, but I am excited to use this. I am always up to trying a new powder, especially if it works out well for me and it's easily accessible for me. I can just hop on over to Shoppers Drug Mart and pick it up if I like it. The next item is by Alumir, and is, I'm not sure. Vitamin Rich Smoother Smoothing Facial Primer. Ooh, another primer, and it says it's for all skin types. And it's just the sample here. It looks like that. We'll have to give that a try. It doesn't really give any more information. I wonder if there was a card with that name on it. Does it say? Oh, it does. A powerful multitasker that works as a primer by smoothing skin texture and delivering anti-aging vitamin C and E. Medical meets luxury. Interesting. And the last item that is in here is by Douce. And it is a Fierce Fine Graphic Pen. So it's probably a liquid liner, I'm guessing. Yep. Let's give this a try. I have other things on my hand from earlier, but ooh, it gives, ooh, it's nice. It is a felt tip. And it's pretty black. Is it matte? Can't tell. It doesn't look super shiny. It's still drying. Maybe it's matte. I'm not sure. but it gives a good line. I don't wear a lot of liquid liners just because I have watery eyes, and watery eyes and liquid liners don't usually go too well together. But I sometimes, occasionally, when I am daring and I don't really care if my makeup looks awful by the end of the day, I will go in and, you know, try a wing and make it look good for a little bit anyway. So this is something I would try out, especially, you know, maybe it will stand up to my tears and my watery eyes. I don't know. I have yet to find that miracle item. Maybe this one is. So it looks like we got 4 items. Awkwardly holding everything in my hands. I know with Top Box, the boxes vary from person to person. Sometimes I'll get 1 or 2 similar items that someone else has, and sometimes I don't get anything that someone else got. Very rarely do I see anyone unboxing something that is exactly the same as what I got. So in that respect, it's kind of nice because it's kind of, even if you're watching spoilers and what other people are getting, you don't always know for sure what you're gonna get. I'm excited to try everything. Am I a little disappointed kind of in the value of it? Like, it's 1 sheet mask, which, okay, that's probably a few dollars. And Nude by Nature, you get a generous, really generous sample in this. And I know it's not, even though you get it at Shoppers Drug Mart, which is a drugstore here in Canada, Nude by Nature is not one of the drugstore pricing type of products. This probably retails, I wonder if it says. No, it doesn't say how much it is. But I know that their prices are closer to the $20 and up range at Shoppers Drug Mart rather than, you know, the under $20 and under $10 range. So you get a good size sample of this. I'm curious to try this out. If it's enough to actually notice a difference in my skin and the benefits that it claims. I'm not sure, just because it is such a small sample size. I can see it in the light. It's only about half full from here down. You can see the product. So I have enough to use it and try it and see if I like it with makeup. But as for skin benefits, I don't know if I would notice enough using this. And while some people, I mean, okay, I guess the value of the box is really good because I know this Douce is not a cheap brand, and I believe this looks like it's a full size. I mean, it doesn't say sample anywhere on it, and it looks like a full size thing. So let's see, how much is the Douce? Let's check this out. Let's see, how much is this? This product retails for $21. Okay, it's not as astronomical as some of, I know their eyeshadow palettes, some of them are really, really pricey, but $21, and I'm assuming this is probably US for this item. So, I mean, if I used these kind of things regularly, if I didn't have watery eyes, it would be something I would use probably every day. So looking at it from that perspective, this is probably a really good box. So I'm not going to complain about it. Good job, Top Box. You don't know that I have watery eyes. I wish there was a way to put, don't give me any liquid liners in it because it's just going to run down my face. But at any rate, $21 for this. That's a pretty good price. All in all, I am pretty happy with this month's box. I prefer to get some more colorful makeup products, you know, that kind of thing, as opposed to like an eyeliner or in another primer. We got a primer a few months ago, but I don't mind it. It's something that I will use and I will try. And I have a lot of color stuff in my collection that I can pull from, so it's not like I need something new to try. Anyway, it's always exciting to get these boxes and open them up and see what you're getting and surprise, you know? If you like surprises, this might be your kind of thing. So I would check out Top Box. I will leave a link below for that. Like I said, it is $12 Canadian a month, free shipping in Canada, and whatever taxes that are for your province or territory would be applied on top of that as well. If you enjoyed what you saw here today, go ahead and hit that like button. While you're at it, subscribe as well so you can see future videos as I upload them. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.